Good morning, students. In the previous class we have learned basic proportionality theorem and its converse. What is the basic proportionality theorem? In a triangle ABC, if DE is parallel to BC, then AD upon DB is equal to AE upon EC, and converse is that if AD upon DB is equal to AE upon EC, then DE is parallel to BC. Now we will do example 1. This is very important question example, and we will apply this in proving other questions. If a line intersect AB and AC of a triangle ABC at D and E respectively, and it is parallel to BC, then we have to prove that AD upon AB is equal to AE upon EC. Now by basic proportionality theorem, AD upon DB is equal to AE upon EC. Reciprocal कर देंगे इसका. So DB upon AB is equal to EC upon AE, adding 1 to both sides. So this will be DB plus AD upon AD is equal to EC plus AE upon AE. Now from the figure, DB plus AD is AB. So AB upon AD is equal to AC upon AE. Again reciprocal. So AD upon AB is equal to AE upon AC. Now we come to exercise 6.2. Question number 1. In this figure, we have some measurements and it is given that DE is parallel to BC. We have to find EC. Now this is 1.5, this is 3, this is 1, and this is we have to find. Now by basic proportionality theorem, AD upon DB is equal to AE upon EC. Put the value. 1.5 upon 3 is equal to 1 upon EC. So this is EC is 2 centimeter. Now second question. E and F are the points on the sides PQ and PR of triangle, and we have to state whether EF is parallel to QR or not. This is the figure. EF हमें बताना है कि क्या वो QR के पैरेलल है या नहीं है. सो PE अपॉन EQ हम निकालेंगे पहले. तो वैल्यू पुट करके निकाला हमने. PE अपॉन EQ ये आया 13 अपॉन 10. फिर हमने निकाला PF अपॉन FR, ये आ गया 3/2. So 13 upon 10 is not equal to 3 upon 2, means this is not equal. Hence by converse of basic proportionality theorem, EF is not parallel to QR. Similarly हम second and third part में करेंगे. Now question number 3. In this figure, LM is parallel to BC and LN is parallel to CD. It is given that LM is parallel to CB and LN is parallel to CD, and we have to prove that AM upon AB is equal to AN upon AD. पहले हम ट्रायंगल लेंगे ABC और फिर हम लेंगे ट्रायंगल ADC. इसमें हम एग्जांपल 1 नंबर 1 का अप्लाई करेंगे. इन ट्रायंगल ABC, ML is parallel to BC, therefore AM upon AB is equal to AL upon AC. This is equation number 1. Similarly in triangle ADC, since LN is parallel to DC, so AN upon AD is equal to AL upon AC. RHS of these two equations is same, so LHS must be same. Hence AM upon AB is equal to AN upon AD. Now we come to fourth question. In figure 6.19, DE is parallel to AC and DF is parallel to AE. We have to prove that BF upon FE is equal to BE upon EC. ये फिगर है, हमें प्रूव करना है BF अपॉन FE इज इक्वल टू BE अपॉन EC. सबसे पहले हम क्या लेंगे. इन ट्रायंगल ABC, we know that DE is parallel to AC. So we apply basic proportionality theorem. BE upon EC is equal to BD upon DA by basic proportionality theorem, equation number 1. Now in triangle ABE में DF is parallel to A. Again we apply that BF upon FE is equal to BD upon DA by basic proportionality theorem. This is equation number 2. From equation number 1 and 2, we observed RHS is same, so LHS must be same. Hence, BE upon EC is equal to BF upon FE. This we have to prove that BF upon FE is equal to BE upon EC. That's all for the today.